In this video, we're going to talk about why you cannot list your product in Spocket. So, in case you're getting this error and can't list any more products, I'll show you why that is. So, first, before we begin, make sure you're importing products the right way. And the right way is as follows. So, after you've successfully found and selected the product you would like to import, you have to hover over the listing and click the Add to Import list. Okay? So this is the green button down below each and every single product. Click Add to Import List, and that's it. Then you have to navigate to the Import List page, which is located over here in the left-hand menu, and in there you'll be able to review your selected product. Okay. Now in here, of course, you'll have multiple products, all that you've added over there to the list. However, it's very important that you take a look at each and every single one individually and then customize the product details before pushing it to your store. Okay, that's very, very important. Now, also, what I wanted to say, that to import items on Spocket, you will need to do it item by item. You can't do it in bulk, and you will have to focus on an individual item at once, okay? And then once you're happy with how you've customized your things, you want to click Push to Store, which is this purple button in the down right section of your item on the import list. And then finally, you can go to the product list page and click View Listing to see the item live in your store. Now, if you've been doing it like I just showed you, it means this isn't the issue. So why can you still not list the product? The only option why you wouldn't be able to do that instead of a network error or bad internet or something is that if you're unable to add more products to your store, you may have reached the product limit for your subscription plan. So it means it's time to upgrade. You can always replace premium products with new ones, remember this, or upgrade your plan so you will avoid running into this limitation. Now, I've listed all the plans over here, and you can see with the Star plan you get 25 unique products, and then with the Pro you get 250 and 25 Premium, and with Empire you get basically 10,000 of both, and then you get 25,000 with the Unicorn, okay? So, yeah, that's pretty much it. If you've run this issue, it's probably time to update. So from one plan to the other, or to the third, or to the fourth, whatever you need, whatever your store needs. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.